guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, we're gonna be doing some cooking again, and this time we're going to cook a pork soup with old cucumber. And so yes, let's start first with our ingredients. We have our blanched pork. We have to add some slices of ginger and water and bring it to boil. And then we have to blanch our pork. It's very important to blanch meat when cooking soup in general, to remove all the blood, excess blood, to have a very clear soup. Blanching it don't really take much of long time, mostly like 2 minutes maybe, and then after that you have to take it out from the water and just give it a quick rinse to remove the clot blood there. That's it. Okay, so moving on, we have this old cucumber. We have to remove all the seeds and then cut it into big pieces with the skin on, as you can see here. Yes, we don't really need to remove the skin because this will add fragrance to our soup. As long as you wash it properly, then it's fine. And then we have, of course, 1 small carrot and dried red dates with the seeds removed. This will add sweetness to our soup. And of course, we have this dried scallop. This will enhance the flavor of our soup. So let's go. In a soup pot with about 1.5 liter of water, we have to add our pork just before the water is about to boil, because according to most of the Hongkongers here, when you add the ingredients before the water is boiling, it releases its natural flavor gradually. So we're just going to do it just like that. You just have to follow the local because they are masters of cooking soups. So we just have to add our ingredients, all of it, and we will bring it to a boil on a big fire for 10 minutes. Then after that, we will lower the fire and simmer it for 1.5 hours over low fire. And so yes, after simmering it for about 1.5 hours, we will have this a creamy looking and clear soup, and it's now ready to be served. And here it is now, our pork soup with old cucumber. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a like and please do subscribe on our channel for more videos like this. And please tell us what you think about it. Like, have you cooked this same soup or you have any variation of it? Please feel free. Until the next video.